what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Lilshmack, man. Y'all already know. We back at it once again. Another banger review for you, family. And today I got another early look at an upcoming shoe that's dropping this April 15th, man. But before we get straight into it, man, if y'all wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, I greatly appreciate it, family. Thank you very much. Let's go and hop into today's shoe. As you can tell, right here off the box, man, it's a good one. Coming up very shortly, man. So it does come with your normal Ma Maniére sleeve, except they did have this one up and down. The last Ma we got was that nice open foldable box that we had. If you remember that one, a very nice VIP experience. But this one, you just have the A's all around, as you always do on most of your Ma Maniére releases. Taking off the sleeve, though, you are left with the box itself, man. A nice glossy white. Does have it in a vertical way. This time, very nice. A very light hue of kind of brown purplish is what the Jumpmans are. This is in a size 10 for y'all wondering. Colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OGSP for a special project. White diffused blue anthracite is the color way, family. Other than that, gray on the bottom of the box, white on the top. It does indeed come with a nice white little ring hole that we have right there. Looks like they're starting to include that in a couple of shoes. I'm guessing pretty much for the special projects or the quick strikes, pretty much. But lifting up the top of the lid, man, you are left with nothing here underneath. And you do know, don't you? This is a sponsored video, man. If y'all wouldn't mind, go ahead and checking them out right here. Their website, their WhatsApp, and their discount code will be right here, man. Go ahead and check them out. It's always a pleasure having them here on the channel. Always helping out the channel. Have been here since the very beginning, man. So if y'all don't mind going and checking them out, see anything you like, use that code, man, to save you some money off, man. But other than that, man, let's get back to the video. Taking a look at the shoes, man, you do have the Ma Maniére logos going on the paper as well. It's a nice wax paper. Feels very good, very high quality, man. Let's go and give it that countdown. 3, 2, 1. Bam! Ooh, woo! Y'all see it, man. The Ma Maniére Diffused Blues, family. Diffused Blues, man. These are a tough one. It does indeed come with an extra pair of laces. Super dope to get that out the way. But let me go grab these out the box. And bam! Y'all see it, family. The Ma Maniére in the Diffused Blue colorway, family. Oh, yeah. This is a clean one for sure, man. A clean one for sure. So, coming into the shoe, it does come laced out the box with the white laces. But I did want to mention that the lace that it comes with is like a very light shade of cream. It looks very similar to the original laces that are on the shoe, but it is a very light shade of cream. It does indeed come with the Nike hang tag saying, due to the suede characteristic, please be aware there is potential color and contamination of the upper and bottom unit is pretty much what it is saying. But let's go ahead and dive straight into the shoe, man. So what you do have is a nice thin sheet of actual leather here. Feels very good, man, on here on your upper. It's a nice regular white, classic white color. You do have nice pre-age for your eye loops here. Coming up top, you do have a nice diffused blue eyelet hole here as well. You do have the Jumpman as well, man. Super dope. And that nice gray Jumpman there. Again, it does come laced with white laces out of the box. You do have a nice suede hits coming here on the side as well, with a nice suede here on your heel and suede here on your toe box. No elephant print on this one, so let me know what you guys think about the no elephant print life. But coming down to the midsole is a nice matte diffused blue color with, again, your pre-aged or sale midsole. Coming down underneath, though, you do have a nice black diffused blue mixed with the sale. Of course, the Nike is there, and they did indeed add the Nike Air heel tab on the back of this one, man. Again, in that diffused blue, a very nice hit for the back. Definitely very nice. The shape of the shoe is your classic Jordan 3 shoe shape. It does come quilted inside with that nice Mercedes-Benz, Lexus, Audi interior, man. That BMW nice quilted interior, diamond stitched. Very nice. I always appreciate that when it comes to the Ma Maniére releases. You do also have that stitching on the inside of the shoe too, saying SP 2025 for Special Project 2025 with, again, Michael Jordan's signature there. Always nice to have that. And other than that, that's pretty much the shoe. It does come out April 15th. Again, retail will be $225. There weren't many raffles for this shoe. There's only 5, so I don't think it's going to be too limited to get these shoes. The last shoe sat, but we are in 2025 now, so who knows, man? Who knows if this shoe is going to sell out or not, depending, man, because 2025 has been a weird year for sneakers. But coming down to your left shoe, it does include the Nike Air hang tag, again, in that diffused blue with the Ma Maniere with that paper, man. Again, it's a very nice shoe. I absolutely do like the shoe. The left shoe, you do have the A off for the Ma Maniere logo, and your right shoe, you have the Jumpman. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, man. If you guys are interested in this shoe, what do you think? Is this a cop or is it a drop, man? Lots of good sneakers dropping for the rest of 2025. That's all I got for y'all, man, today. That's all I got, man. Before y'all go, again, if you guys are interested for those shoes with the website and the discount code will all be in the description down below. It's been your boy Lilshmack, man, and I will catch you, yes, you, in the next one. Peace.